We have some great speakers tonight, and I think we have a great meal despite my earlier jokes about airline food. I'd like to do a real quick impromptu thing. I'd like to have every Canadian, Australian, American, British veteran stand up. Please. I'm going to. The reason I'm asking, of course, is that in Canada, Australia, and the UK, they have celebrated Remembrance Day, and tomorrow we celebrate Veterans Day. I have one other thing to request. All Marines stand up. Okay. Today is a Marine Corps birthday. Simplify, guys. Has variously held the title of simulation technology guru, and a whole host of other related type titles. As of our board meeting yesterday, became our corporate liaison man, because he seems to know everybody in the industry. Anyway, I'm going to turn the mic over to Marty, the gentleman in the coat, and let him introduce our keynote speaker.
Technology is working here. You know, one of the highlights at Avsim has always been the guest speaker program, and I consider myself very fortunate because usually I've had the opportunity of finding a guest speaker and introducing them. And this evening is really a double pleasure because we've got two guest speakers. But first on the agenda this evening will be Captain Mark Firestein. And Captain Firestein is actually the project manager for the Boeing commercial aircraft 747-8 program, or as it's known in some countries, the 800 program. And in this role, he's helping to develop the 787-8 freighter and intercontinental, which is the newest member of the 747 family, which will be in service in 2009 and 2010. His responsibilities include working with customers and engineers to develop the flight deck and aircraft handling characteristics, two subjects that I know are going to be very, very interesting for our Avsim simulation enthusiast community. Previously, Mark has served as chief pilot for both 747 and 787 aircraft programs, as well as deputy military and special projects pilot, where his responsibilities included flight testing of Boeing's commercial derivative military airplanes, including the KR-135, E6, and E767. He has more than 7,000 hours of flight time and over 100 types of aircraft. I have 400 hours of flight time and one type of aircraft. With that, I'm going to get off the stage and I'm going to bring up Captain Firestein to now speak to us.
Thank you, and good evening. I've been looking forward to this for about 2 months. Marty called me and said, you come to this convention, it works out right.
He speaks publicly about his journey through the past, the present, and into the future of flight. I give you Eric Lindbergh.
Thank you. Can you hear me okay? Too loud?
Thank you, Marty. Wow, that's a tough act to follow with Eric Lindbergh. However, there's a couple of people I want to thank first, because I'm very grateful to be here talking to you guys. But the first person I want to thank is my wife. She's been extremely supportive, and for the wives in the audience, you understand what I'm talking about. Is that true? Okay, thank you, Lord. There are a couple of examples of juice that I want to talk about. And I want to thank my students. I want to thank Ryan, Jason, and Elliot. Please stand up. Because you guys... Now, the first place winner. This kid was awesome. Chicago flight. Andrew Calderon. Come on up. You are our winner. Now, don't go. We have one surprise for you. We have $5,000 in scholarships. Lori's going to give you a shirt. However, there's something else. You're also getting an NVIDIA card, but you're also getting what's in the box. So it's the stack that was by our booth this afternoon, courtesy of GoFly. So you were awesome. You're a grand winner. Congratulations. So thank you all that have participated in the competition. It was not an easy mission, but you guys made it so much fun. Thank you, and I will see you next year.